Hello, everyone, and welcome to our guide on making your own herbal incense. There's nothing quite like the soothing and uplifting power of a beautifully scented room. Making DIY incense from kitchen herbs is a fun, creative, and aromatic project. Here are some ideas for creating incense using common kitchen herbs and spices. You can make them as loose incense, cones, or sticks, depending on your preference. Creating your own incense can be a rewarding and aromatic project, allowing you to personalize your scents and create a truly unique ambiance in your home. Today, we'll be exploring the simple steps and delightful possibilities of crafting your own loose herbal incense from herbs in your kitchen, home, and garden. So, gather your favorite herbs and essential oils put on your apron, and let's begin. For this project, we'll be using dried herbs. They're easy to work with and release their fragrance beautifully when burned. Making DIY incense from kitchen herbs is a fun, creative, and aromatic project. Here are some ideas for creating incense using common kitchen herbs and spices. You can make them as loose incense, cones, or sticks, depending on your preference. Herbs and ingredients. These are great starting points for incense blends. Herbs: rosemary, sage, thyme, mint, bay leaves, basil, or oregano. Spices: cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise, nutmeg, or cardamom. Citrus peels: dried orange, lemon, or lime peels add bright, zesty notes. Flowers: lavender buds, rose petals, or chamomile, if you have any dried flowers in your pantry. Resins: optional. If you have access to gum arabic or frankincense resin, you can blend these to add depth and better burning properties. Tools needed: mortar and pestle or coffee grinder for powdering herbs. Spices: charcoal discs for loose incense, small mixing bowl, essential oils, optional for enhancing scents, water and natural binders like honey or gum arabic for cones or sticks. Methods to create incense. Loose incense: crush the herbs, spices into smaller pieces, or powder using a mortar and pestle. Mix your blend in a bowl. Light a charcoal disc and place it in a fire-safe dish. Sprinkle a pinch of your mixture on top. Incense cones: grind herbs, spices into a fine powder. Add a small amount of water and gum arabic to bind the mixture. Shape into small cones and let them dry for 24 to 48 hours. Incense sticks. Soak blank incense sticks in a mixture of essential oil and ground herbs. Allow them to dry completely before burning. For sticks, you'll need to purchase incense sticks from a craft store. Dip the sticks into a natural adhesive, such as gum arabic, and then roll them in the incense mixture. Make sure the mixture is evenly coated on all sides of the stick. Once you've shaped your incense, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Congratulations! You've now created your very own homemade herbal incense. Enjoy your homemade herbal incense and the delightful aromas it brings to your space. Light the tip of your incense cone or stick. Allow the flame to catch, and then gently blow it out. The embers will continue to smolder, releasing the fragrant smoke. Tips for success. Safety first. Always burn incense in a heat-safe dish and never leave it unattended. Sourcing ingredients. Use organic pesticide-free herbs whenever possible. Experiment. Try small batches with different ratios to find your favorite scents. These are great starting points for incense blends. There's a whole world of aromatic possibilities waiting to be discovered. Happy blending!